£24.99 in Aldi should go a long way.
It's like gold at the moment. We'll go reach in and pull out this.
2023. Da 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 da. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're doing something a little bit different. It's an Aldi unboxing. So as you're probably very well aware, there's a pandemic at the moment, which means everybody has to stay inside. The supermarkets have been massively affected. It's a different kind of world we're living in at the moment, and one of the changes we've noticed is supermarkets are doing like an essentials box. So they're selling like a box for a flat fee and you buy it, and inside apparently is lots of essentials to keep you going if you can't get out to the shops or if you can't find these bits in the shops. It's kind of aimed at anyone and everyone who is struggling right now.
Yeah, I mean, we've got absolutely no idea what's in it. And how much was it?
£24.99. We're going to unbox it today, let you know if it's actually worth your money and if it's worth ordering. From time of ordering and time of receiving, it was about 6 days. So it's definitely something you would need to pre-plan for. You couldn't just order this and have all of your essentials the next day. And another thing I wanted to say is £24.99 in Aldi should go a long way. It does for us.
It does. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through this and obviously see what amazing stuff we've got inside. It's like a sort of a surprise hamper. Then we're going to go down the shop and I'm going to see how much it all adds up to. Yeah,
so we want to see that. So make sure you watch till the end if you want to see the total cost of everything in here and if it is under or over £24.99. Let's do an unboxing. So get cozy, get comfy, get your shopping list ready. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sophie. This is my boyfriend Lawrence. We make 3 videos on the channel every single week, all about living your best life on a budget. So make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. And yeah, after all of that, I'm gonna grab my coffee and we're going to unbox it. I'm actually so excited. Right, I'll do the ripping, because we're just like
Careful.
Careful.
Cut away from yourself.
Da, 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 da. It's paper! Oh my gosh, I've actually already seen a few things we like.
Have you?
Don't look!
I'm gonna reach in and pull out this.
I think it should be like a lucky dip thing, we just stick our hands in.
Okay, we'll get take turns.
Yeah,
right,
I'll go first.
Right.
I already know what I'm pulling out though.
Okay.
Da, 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 da. Toilet roll!
Hey, it's aloe vera. Nice.
Nice! You get some aloe vera toilet roll, 4 in there. That's alright actually, because this is nice toilet roll. It's not like the cheap one.
No, that's nice. It's going to be nice and soft.
It's only 4 in there. Well, still, it's an essential and it's a good one to put in the box because toilet roll has been few and far between in the UK.
Tips. Have a little bit of a rummage. Ooh, what's this?
Tuna!
Tuna chunks in brine.
That is very interesting. I did just want to say there was no option to pick a vegetarian or vegan food box. So I do eat tuna myself. I'm a semi-tarian, so every now and then we'll eat a fish or a meat meal, mainly fish though, and I do actually eat tuna, so that won't go to waste. And tuna's not cheap.
Yeah, and this is responsibly sourced. It's all good. Brilliant.
Brilliant. Da, 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 da.
What we got?
Basmati rice.
Can't go wrong.
Classic basmati rice. You cannot go wrong with that. And we needed rice.
We do.
So
rice is great.
That is fabulous.
Very good for you and cheap. You know?
And cheap, yeah.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Wow!
Oh my god!
Look at that!
I've actually never had one of those multi-packs of biscuits.
I know, look, so we've got nice biscuits, nice.
Nice.
We've got custard creams, we've got bourbons, and we've got those other ones, shortcake biscuits.
Oh, I really want a biscuit now. Do you know what? Nice biscuits are actually so nice. They are, aren't they?
They're nice.
Aren't they? And
Yeah.
custard cream is my favourite there.
That's decent, isn't it?
That's good because, like, you never treat yourself to a multi-pack of biscuits.
Never. You'd only do
Never.
it if you were like having your grandparents over.
Oh, right, my turn.
Go on then.
Yay! We've got those up
We've
there.
already got some of these. They're amazing.
I know, but we eat them regularly, so this is great. So these are 2 brown, which is fabulous because we prefer brown bread. Bake at home baguettes. These are great. If you've ever seen these in Aldi, although they're not like fresh, they last a long time. You put them in the oven and you can have a warm baguette. Yum.
And also, if you might have seen it in a previous video, that's what I used when I made that garlic bread.
Oh.
One of them.
That was good, wasn't it?
And that was amazing. Right.
Go on.
I'm going to just... I took a sneaky look, so I'm going to have to pick something that I saw, because otherwise... Beasley! This is like gold at the moment. I mean, you know, finding pasta still is so difficult.
It is.
And
pasta.
we like this spirally one.
I like Beasley. I don't like penne. I hate penne pasta and the shells.
I know.
And the bows. Don't like them. Them 3 I'm not into. Ready? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm not looking.
Go on then. What we found? Ooh!
Is that our coffee? Oh, it's a bit posher than the one we normally get.
Do you know what? It's the same, but they've got new branding.
They've got new branding.
That's the one we get. That's the one we get. It's like they're new.
Is it?
That's the one we get. We've actually got it over there. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that definitely. That's great. We drink that, and we were running low.
All right, my turn. A can of something. Tomatoes.
We always use tin tomatoes.
Tin tomatoes can't go wrong.
We have
What we got?
minestrone soup.
Minestrone soup. Nice.
No, I haven't had that in like probably
Ages.
my whole life.
Forever.
I don't think I've actually ever had it.
It's good.
Minestrone soup. That's
Nice,
good. It's
I like
vegetarian, isn't it?
Sometimes it is. Sometimes
What
it's
do you
got
mean?
beef stock in it. Sometimes it's got beef stock. Suitable for vegetarians, it does say.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Happy with that.
What have I got in here?
What? Can I? Oh, you got the fun pack.
Okay.
Go on, no, you can.
Sure.
No,
It's like a present inside a present. This is like past the parcel. It's where did it go?
Oh, anti-bac aloe wash as well.
Hello.
So some aloe vera anti-bac. That's great because we're running out in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So that will go in our bathroom.
What's next? What's
I-
going?
I-
Oh, what she got? What she got? Oh, what have you-
smooth and silky chocolate chocolate.
That looks good.
That looks good.
That
It's
looks
really
premium.
chunky.
Chunky.
It's chunky, isn't it? Feels like it's had a bit of a melt.
Does it?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's alright.
Nice.
We could melt that down and make it into a rocky road or something. Go. Way! Those are the tea bags I drink.
So's favourite tea bag.
They do make a lovely cuppa. It says here, a lovely cuppa. And it does make a lovely cuppa. It's really like gentle and not bitter.
Nice.
Nice. I'm so excited about this because I was thinking in the bath last night, I really fancy these and we didn't have any.
Shut up.
Salted peanuts.
I love a peanut.
We love a peanut.
This
They're
is great.
nice. This is great.
This is like the best hamper I've ever received.
Yeah, I know. Isn't it?
What have I got here? Baked beans. These are some of the best. Tesco also very good, and
Tesco
also
beans are
Branston.
good. And Branston beans are great.
But these are up there. These
They're
are
up there.
easily top 3. Top 3 beans.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, you got another special package. Suspense is killing me. Ooh.
Bolognese sauce.
Woo.
Wow. I mean, do you know what? Like, we do make our own bolognese sauce, don't we?
We do.
It is quite easy, and we've got the tin tomatoes to make it. But for a quick, easy meal, these are great.
Yeah, it's fine.
They
Nice
are great.
and easy.
And I like making pasta bakes with jars like these.
You do, don't you? Have a little ramage. Oh, chicken and noodle soup. That sounds
Oh.
all right actually.
You can have that for lunch today.
That sounds like it could be quite tasty, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, I'll bring this out. A 4-pack of super sweet corn.
I like tin sweet corn.
Yeah, do you know what? That is actually quite good because when it's in our cupboard, we eat it, but when we don't have it, we forget to buy it. So sometimes we add extra sweet corn on pizzas.
Oh, pizzas.
Yeah.
Oh,
just like you just think, oh, actually, I could put some sweet corn in that.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
What we got here? We got some sliced carrots in a can.
Don't know about those, have to admit. Well, fine.
Hey.
You can shove them in a stew, spaghetti bolognese.
Good
they
idea.
melt, and it just flavours it a bit sweeter, doesn't it?
That's a good idea.
So that's fine. We will use them.
Cool.
Da 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 da.
What's that?
Rice pudding.
I love that.
Yeah, actually, rice pudding is quite nice. We could have that. Grate some cinnamon on it, and
Nutmeg.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It's going to be cold this week, so we might have
going.
that. Yeah.
We're going back.
We're going back to Christmas.
Cream of tomato
Tomato
soup.
soup.
This is a good one. It's classic. Aldi.
It's a classic.
You've got to get that.
The Tesco one is the best, though.
Again,
Have to say.
Yeah.
Have to say.
What we got?
Chili con carne. Wow. I didn't know you could buy full-on chili con carne in a tin. Can you?
What?
Has it got beef?
Yeah. Seems you can.
Oh yeah, beef 27%. Kidney beans.
How long does it last for?
2023.
On the plus side, if we're told that we're not able to leave the house ever again, then at least we've got one last chili con carne.
Yeah, I mean, have to admit, if I had the option, I definitely would have gone vegetarian, just because stuff like this, it's not reliable where the meat comes from at all. It's a bit worrying, actually. I personally, each to their own. I honestly do not mind if you choose to buy something like this. Personally, I wouldn't buy that. So we could donate it to a food bank.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. So we've got one last thing.
One last thing.
Go on then.
No, you.
Oh, go on.
It's your turn.
Oh.
Another pre-packaged item.
Ooh. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, well, we have here some British semi-skimmed long life milk.
Semi-skimmed milk.
Semi-skimmed milk with UHT, so it will last probably until the end of time.
Really?
Well, let's have a look. Well, October, but that's all right.
Would it be okay? We could bake with that. We could make pancakes with it.
Yes.
So that could be useful. If you drink milk as well, that'll be good to have in your little box of goodies. So that's it, I think.
I think so.
Okay, so Lawrence counted it up. Apparently we have 22 items. So if I could probably predict, I'm going to say it's actually worth less than £24.99, all of this together. Personally.
It looks like that, and we're kind of, we're used to spending around that amount of money for a whole weekly shopping Aldi. So.
Yeah, and we would be buying a lot of fresh fruit and veg. So when I originally went to order this box, it was so cryptic. Like, I really couldn't work out what would be in the box. It doesn't tell you a thing. It just says it's a food parcel. But there are a couple of images, including one in this little receipt, where it looks like it will be full of fruit and veg. So I was kind of hoping for lots of fruit and veg. I understand it's hard to do that because, it's coming in a box. God knows how long it will sit in a warehouse, things like that. I was kind of impressed that it did have some healthy stuff though, like the sweet corn, the carrots, bits like that. There were some vegetables. Yeah, we're gonna put up the price now. Ding, 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 ding. I'm hoping it will cost, what did you say earlier, like at least £23?
If it was £23, then you can kind of, you can say, look, I've not had to go out, I've not had to queue up, so,
Yeah, so hopefully. Anyway, we're going to sign off there now. We luckily can find uses for all of the food in this food parcel. Let me know if you order a food parcel from Aldi or any of the other supermarkets and if you recommend it or not. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times every single week. And yeah, we'll see you again very, very soon. And we love you very much.
Yeah.
Mwah. Bye.
Bye.